Hi, it's me, Davy, and I'm here with another unboxing. Welcome to my channel, Crap Fire Unboxing. So, I got another box in today, but this box was huge. So I went ahead and I opened it off camera. It's from Revolution Makeup London. I ordered another Friends box set. And if you go on their website, I believe I think if you spend $30, you get a free gift. I ended up getting 2 free gifts. And you get a choice between some palettes and I believe some face serums or creams. And I believe there's masks, facial care, skincare items. So I went ahead and I ordered the Rachel box. I am so excited about this. And it has the Central Perk logo all over the box, and it's pink, and it says he's a transponsor. So if you watch the show, you know exactly what that means. If you don't watch the show, let me explain what that is. It's where Rachel, Monica, Chandler, and Joey are playing a trivia game about who knows who best. Nobody has any idea what Chandler's job is, and Rachel screams out, he's a transponsor, and Monica says that's not even a word, and they lose the game and have to give their apartment up. So I ordered this, and we will dive into this box in a minute. But I also ordered the Monica Friends Revolution. This is the shadow palette that looks like Monica's door. I love their makeup. Right now I'm using my palette that has the fountain on the front. In the opening credits of the show, the fountain they dance on. Anyway, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm tired, and it's been a day. Anyway, so you open it up, and of course, and this is a metal palette. It's not plastic, it is metal. You open it up, and of course, you've got the mirror, but these are the colors. So you've got you some mattes, glitter, some shimmers, and they have Monica's door imprinted inside them. That's in my eye. And of course, the names of the shadows are from the show, like Game of Cups, Tea Leaves, New York, Big Opening, Closure, Foosball, Sofa, you know. I will definitely use this palette. You can make a lot of color combinations with that. So I was really excited over that palette. I'm excited to use this palette. Next, I was really excited about this shell because I have the Monica Mirror one. And now I've got the Lobster. So why don't we open it up? And this is a very, very large mirror. I don't use these mirrors. They're pretty much more of a novelty type mirror, unless you have maybe a vanity you can sit it on. I should have done this before. Okay, so it is plastic. It is a hard plastic. A very large mirror. But I am very excited about that. But I do have the Monica mirror. I believe that was the first YouTube video I ever did. So anyway, so I ordered those on top of the Rachel box. So when you open it up, it looks like this. They package things pretty well. And just like the Monica and Phoebe box, it comes with, I believe, all 5 of the items. And of course, they all match the outside of the box. So yeah, so you've got your lashes. And they do come in magnetic boxes. That's what they look like. Well, dear John, I just dropped them. They tried running away from me, y'all. You know, maybe I should have taken a nap before I did this video. I am totally tearing this up. What did I do? Anyway, so those are the lashes. Then, of course, you've got the face mask. And you can buy all these items you can buy separate. You don't have to buy the box, but I did it because in the long run you do save on it versus buying everything separate. So get the face mask, and of course you get the lipstick, and that's what the lipstick looks like. Everything matches the front, of course, matches, you know, the Central Perk pattern. And this has the Central Perk couch on it, of course. So let's try to open up this bad boy without, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. Open it up without tearing up the box. I don't want to tear up the box. I don't know why they make things so hard to open. My goodness. And just like the other 2 lipsticks, this is what it looks like with the lips. And then it says Rachel. And then, of course, it has the Friends logo with the Revolution logo on it. So let's... Oh, now see, that is a really pretty color. The lighting in here is awful. But there we go. Oh, that's a little better. Kind of like a brown mauve color, I guess. Oh, yeah. Kind of pink. I don't know. Might be a little too dark for me. That's okay. So then, and I have 2 of these. Before they started making these boxes, I started buying things separate. So I do have 2 of these Rachel lip glosses. And I like them. I really do. Everything's sealed. But the brushes are really big, and the lip gloss does have a really good smell to it. So, and then last but not least, you get your eyeshadow palette. Has Central Perk on the front. And just like the rest of my eyeshadow palettes, I will use these eventually. They will get used. I wanted to open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So it is magnetic. Has a really nice mirror on it. And these are really, really pretty colors, y'all. Really, really pretty. So, shopping on a break, dinosaur, 90s, Barney's, tag, chip, pushover, crush. So I'll use these two. I like those. And I just keep everything in the box till I use it. Okay, so that was it for the Rachel box. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the free gifts I picked. Now you do pick what you want, and they'll let you know when you qualify for the free gifts. So the first thing I picked was Hard Rock Flex Shadow Palette. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, that's cool. I like the outside. It's textured, you guys. Can you see that? It kind of reminds you of one of them leather purses. It's like textured. It has a magnetic enclosure. Okay, so there's no mirror on this. I was going to try without messing up the eyeshadows. Take off the plastic. There we go. And those are the colors that came in my free eyeshadow palette. You got you a couple of mattes, dark purple, light purple, a shimmer, some glitter. That is a really nice palette. I'm not sure what the value of the palette is, but that would be a good size to travel with, I think. And last but not least, we've got the Pink Clay Detoxifying Mask. And this is really heavy. I will probably give this away or put into another makeup box. So I'm not going to open this. It basically looks like pink clay, y'all. So yeah. So that's it for today. That's what I got from Revolution today. I will put a link in the comments below. Go check out their website. They don't just sell Friends makeup. They sell, I believe, Princess. I know they sell Nightmare Before Christmas. They even sell makeup bags, sponges, bath bombs, lip scrubs. I mean, they sell a lot of different items. So go over there to their website, check it out. As always, once I hit 100 likes, I will give away a free goodie box that will include all kinds of neat stuff. I love building boxes, making goodie bags. It will be worth it. So please tell your friends, tell your family. Come check me out. I'm sorry I was a little off today. Take care of each other, be kind, and have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.